it's going to touch. So 55 kids, it's going to
55.
touch. 44, the parents can join.
55 kids
That's
and
so much. There will be like 100 people.
then
So,
kailan ba birthday mo?
that would be 99 people.
Invited?
That would be. And then,
Daddy!
what if
Nag-i-invite yung anak mo.
tayo, five of us. Ano what is true? Five of us. That would make like 100.
Oh. Kailan ba yung birthday mo?
June 10.
June 10. Tomorrow na yon. Oh.
No one is invited. Only the family.
No, 55 kids.
No, only the family.
Bakit nagbigay ka ba ng invitation?
So,
Bigay ka invitation sa mga
we in
classmates
the corner saying in the time, and
in the place.
the
Ocean
price.
Park.
The venue. Saan ba yung venue?
So the price it's McDonald's and
Daddy, gumagawa ng sariling ano.
No, Ocean
Oo.
Park.
Oh.
Big boy,
At the
Ocean
McDonald's.
Ocean Park.
and all the people can join in with me.
No, let's go to Ocean Park.
But as the party we go to McDonald's, it's either way over to the Ocean Park.
Ito sa Ocean Park
no
pa.
McDonald's, only Ocean Park.
Why will you make food?
Bring your own food.
And every family
Ito mo ba?
member
Ito mo?
in this family it's invited, but the family doesn't count.
No.
Everyone.
No kids, only us.
Hi. Daddy.
Di ba pwede kang gumawa ng server sa ano, di ba?
Daddy.
Roblox?
Yeah, yes. But Daddy,
Oh, yes.
do you know
You...
crazy Daddy?
No.
Daddy.
Yes.
Do you know
Nag-invite?
this?
Oh.
So, what about
Wala mag-invite. Bring your own food
It's
if you're
at
hungry.
the McDonald's all the way to the Ocean Park.
Oh, McDonald's.
What McDonald's? It's near to the Center Mall.
Sa Center Mall? McDonald's?
No, it's near to the Center Mall. So, what?
I think you eat too much.
Grabe, daming in-invite nito ah.
Bring your own food.
And 99 people it's invited.